A very good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here with a very interesting topic, that is skeletal system. What is skeletal system? A skeletal system is the framework of bone which combine to form our body skeleton. Skeletal system is comprises of 4 different parts: skull, backbone, you can also call it spine, ribs and limbs. Let's study one by one in detail. First of all, skull. It is the uppermost part of our body which is composed of 2 types of bone. First one is the cranial bone and second one is the facial bone. Cranial bones are the flat bones and the facial bones they are irregular and round in shape. So cranial bones are 80 number and the facial bones are 40 in number. Total there are 22 bones in our skull. The upper part of the skull, which is the cranial part, it is fixed. In fact, you can say all the parts in the skull is fixed except the lower jaw. Only lower jaw show the movement, which allow you to move your lower jaw for eating, for grinding food, all these things, and for talking also. So now next we are having spine, or you can say backbone. Backbone, it is comprises of total 33 bones. So backbone, it gives support to your body. Backbones are composed of 33 different small bones which are stacked on one another like this. So there are total 33 bones. A single bone is known as vertebra. When these vertebrae are intact with each other, they form a column. So that is why it is called vertebral column. It helps in movement, it helps in bending our body, it helps in backward movement of our body. So this is our spine. So what is the role of spine? Its role is to give support to your back and it allows the backward and forward movement. So moving to the next, we are having ribs. So ribs, we are having 12 pair of ribs. You can see here we are having 12 pair of ribs. What is the role of ribs? Its role is to protect our internal body organs. So what are these internal body organs? Like our heart, liver, kidney, lungs and your spleen, gallbladder, all these are supported with the help of ribs. So it helps in the protection of our delicate organs. So all these ribs are attached with the center bone that is known as sternum. This is our center bone. It is also known as chest bone. So all these ribs are intact with the sternum except the lower 2 floating ribs. You can see here last 2 ribs. These are floating ribs. Why they are floating ribs? Because they are not attached to the center part of the bone. That is your sternum. So that is why they are known as floating ribs. But these ribs are attached to our backbone. You can see our backbone here. So it is attached to the backbone, but it is not attached to our rib center bone, that is sternum. So this is the ribs. It is of total how many bones? Very good, 12 bones. Yes. So moving to the next, we are having limbs. So we are having 2 type of limbs, as you know, 4 limbs, our arm, and hind limbs, our legs. So 4 limbs, it is comprises of 30 bones. In each limbs you are having 30 bones, 30 here and 30 here. So similarly your lower limb, that is your hind limb, it is also composed of 30 bones. So how these bones are segregated? Look at here in the picture. Forelimb, this is the first bone of the forelimb, that is humerus. It is the long bone. For example, this one, this part of the bone, it is the long bone, it is known as humerus. And the next part, like this part, it is made up of 2 type of bones. First one, that is this one is called radius and the lower one is called ulna. So this is your forelimb, and when we talk about the hind limb, the longest bone in our skeletal system is the thigh bone, or you can call it femur. So you can see here, this is our longest bone in the skeletal system. It is called femur or the thigh bone. And similar with the forelimb, hind limb is also comprised of 2 different bones in the lower portion, that is tibia and fibula. So this is how the limbs are divided, forelimbs and hind limb. Each hind limb 30 bones in each side. Okay, so this is the limbs. So limbs, you know what is the role of limbs? It helps in movement, it helps in walking, it helps in carrying the things from one place to another place. So this is the role of limbs. I hope this is clear. So let's have a quick recap of all the things. Skeletal system. What is skeletal system? It is the framework of bone which provides support to our body. So our skeletal system is mainly comprises of 4 parts. First is skull, second is spine or you can say backbone, and third is ribs, and fourth one is limbs. So as I told you, in the skull all the bones are fixed except the lower jaw, and it is comprises of how many bones? Very good, 22 bones. And our spine, it is the backbone which provides support to our back, and it is comprises of 33 bones. And the ribs, its main function is to protect our internal body organs, and it is comprises of 12 pair of bones. And the last one, that is limbs. We are having 2 type of limbs, forelimbs and hind limb. Each limb is comprises of 30 bones in each, and their role, you know, that it helps you to walk, it helps you to pick up the things from here to there, all your daily activity you are doing with this. So I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.